Come on. Fall. 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 Bro, just die. Bro, actually just die. Why are you still alive? Hey guys, my name is Vaun, and today we're going to be trying to get 3 stars on all the levels on the first page of Angry Birds Reloaded. Let's try it, guys. Looks like they're trying to get a plan together. Oh man, some bad pigs. Red, yeah. Let's go. Wow. That's easy. Boom. What's that? If that's not a 3-star, I don't know what it is. Boom. 30,000. That just look like it's gonna be 3-star. 30,000. Look, 20,000. And we got it. Boom. This is gonna be easier, I thought. We're gonna be done a lot faster than I thought we would. Mighty Eagle. Oh, I ain't got him yet. Okay. Alright, let me look at this. 4 towers. See, what I gotta do is I gotta hit that first one like a domino effect. And then just boom. Okay. Watch. Watch this. I'm gonna hit them with the second one. See that? I'm gonna hit them. Boom. Yeah. See, and that was 2. And you know what? We just gonna hit the third one. Cause might well. And boom. 24,000 score. Plus another 20 grand. That's gonna be a 44,000 score. And then put that on top of each other. And we only got one. What the hell? Okay. Let's retry this. Let's retry this. We're gonna go for a higher angle this time. And just try to like take them on the back way. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Yeah. Okay, that was fine. Oh, that was alright. Let's just take out these 2 real quick. Yeah. Come on, man. Roll over. Die! Yes! See what I did? Yeah, I still need 40. Wait, hold on. 52. Okay, so what I need? 51 or 54? I got 52. So let's see if we got it. And we need 53. Oh, we're this close, man. Okay, for sure. Don't worry, we good. So I need to knock over that back one to knock over the rest of them. For sure. Watch this. Boom. Bop. Bang. Okay. Restart. Okay, watch this. Boom. Bam. Bop. Okay, restart. Okay, watch this. Boom. Bam. Bop. Okay, restart. Okay. Boom. Bam. Bop. I got. Oh, wait. Okay, restart. Boom. Bam. Yeah. Restart. Let's go. Come on. Okay, now get on the thing. Get on the thing. There we go. Boom. We're gonna try a high launch this time. There we go. Stop knocking over that way. Man, go the other way. Okay. Boom. High launch. Cool. Whatever. Restart. Higher launch. Yeah. Just go over, man. No! So what if I just do that? Maybe I can get the 53. If I just... No, it's only gonna be 51. High as release. Boom. Dang. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Get him. There we go. Good stuff. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. Alright. Dang. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. High. Super high release. Like, so high you can't even... I didn't do nothing. I was directly on the money. Super high release. Uh-huh. Why I keep landing like right there on spot? Super high release. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Boom. I was right at all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. Get on. Yeah. Bro, you saw the force going at that guy, man? It should have knocked him over, man. And you're going the wrong way. That didn't do me no good. Alright. Yeah. That's a different angle right there. Mm-hmm. Why is it so hard to get 3 stars on the first level of Angry Birds? Like, well, on the second level, Angry Birds. Like, come on now. Bro. Oh my god. Yeah. 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 Knock him over. Nah, bro. That's it. That's it, bro. That's it, bro. Let's go. Yeah. 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 60,000. And that's 3 stars for level 2, baby. And that's 3 stars for level 2. Let's get 3 stars on level 3. Alright. That's easy. Boom. 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 Easy. That wasn't even hard. That's gotta be 3 stars. Mm-hmm. Let's go. Let's go. Glass. Remember those guys. Alright. Get them right there. Whatever. Restart. That was just test shot. Alright. There we go. Test shot. Whatever. Let's go. Test shot. Whatever. And that should, like... That was supposed to fall. Alright, so we chopped it up to... We can't get a 3 star without like it being the first bird. There we go. There we go. You know what? Forget it. Let's go ahead and get the 2 star. Then we'll get the 3. Like we'll go after. We'll go back and get it. 3 star. We good. We chilling. Cool. We was flying too hard. Ooh. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that, baby. See, that was easy. We're good at this. We're goated. I already knew it, man. We're goated. It's 65,000, man. In the high school, 6 votes. See, we got it. We're Duke the Blues. Yeah, we know about y'all. Y'all the 3 peoples. Give me that. Oh, I ain't do nothing. Let's restart that one. Ain't that really? Oh. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Okay. There we go. I thought that was gonna be a little more destructive, to be real with you. Dang. Restart. Yeah. No, they didn't do what we thought it was gonna do. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Good miss. There we go. Now, let's do another 3. Let's do another one of these guys. Get him. Man, what? Oh my. Okay, so what's the points on this? How many points is this? 41,000? How many I had to get? I only had to get 41,000. We good. 3 star. Alright, let me look at this first. Alright. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do with you first. Go ahead and get you real weak. And then boom, knock it over. Yeah, and then get the other guy. Yeah. And that's how you do it. And that's how you do it. Oh wait, I had to get 54,000? Oh crap. Okay, so let's try this one. Yep, knock him over on one go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Just fall over. Do the thing. Dang. That ain't gonna do it. It's supposed to be 54,000. Ah. Yup. Ah. Alright. Yup. Come on. Yup. Give me that. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, there we go. Give me all that. Give me it. Give me that. Yup. I gotta do it with the red bird. Yup. Give it to me. There we go. Oh my god. Yeah. Damage it first. No! I ain't moving. Freak! Get him. Get him. Get him good. No. Ah, crap. Hey, that would have been... Nah, they still wouldn't have done that, I don't think. Restart. Get him. Yeah. That might have done it. That didn't do nothing. Jesus. There we go. There we go. See, we got it. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. 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 3-star. What is this? You gonna give me some icebergs, right? Yeah. Boom. Easy peasy. Penny squeezy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 3-star. I am enjoying it, but I'm not gonna rate it for nothing. Mm. I mean, but do I get the 3-star is the question. Do I get the 3-star is the question, you know what I'm saying? Dude, I was 400 off. Well, 392. But, man, okay. It's alright. Mm-hmm. Oh, it ain't gonna knock him over. Oh, restart. Dang. I should have broke. Dang. This one's hard. Let's go. And I think that means that we got the 3-star. Dang. That man took that. Hey, these pigs suck at building these forts. Look at you. You suck at building these forts. You know what I'm saying? Do better. Oh. I'm angry. That didn't do nothing. I'm angry. Yeah. Die. 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 You're not going nowhere. I'm angry. Yeah. Restart. I'm angry. Restart. I'm angry. Restart. I'm angry. Restart. I'm angry. Yeah. 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 Come on. Kill him. Oh, it didn't do nothing, man. I'm angry. Oh, restart. I'm angry. Restart. I'm angry. Yes. Restart. I'm moving the whole thing, man. Just move. I'm angry. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I'm angry. Let's go. See, look, watch. Do I get 3-star? What is the score I got hit? 42,000. 45. Y'all already know what we gotta do. You already know. I'm angry. Why didn't I zoom it out? I'm angry. Boom. Go. Why did I say I'd have to get 3 stars on every level, bro? Uh-oh. That was it. That was the umph. Get him. That was it. That was it. That was it. Look. Look. 1. Fall. 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 You. Fall. Yes. Yes. I said it. I said it. 3 birds left. And we hit 45 grand. What kind of structure is that? They really should have had him. Restart that. Boom. Dang. That one should have had it too, to be real with you. Oh no, I'm not making through no 5 blocks. Boom. Dang, I gotta make through all the layers of ice. There we go. Come on. Get it. Let's go. Let's go. Easy. $47. Yes, and that's all I had to hit, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get the 3 star. Look at Chuck. Look at Chuck. Chuck. Come here, Chuck. Yeah. Dang, Chuck. You ain't really do much for me. I'll try a different angle. Oh, yeah. Come here, Chuck. Get in that. Dang, Chuck, you really ain't really doing no much for me, man. Get him, Chuck. Chuck, you suck, man. Good stuff. Hey. That was not no 3 star. I know that was not no 3 star. I just wanted to get tired of it. I was actually really close. What the hell? What the hell? Well, that wasn't it either. Wait. No, that was it. Hey! Die. What? Restart. Die. Let's see what we get. Give me the bird right there. Oh. Okay. Whatever. We already knew. We're gonna have to get all of it. We're gonna have to get all of it in one go. Restart. Ooh. Hey, bro, die. Die to you, death, die. Die. Death. Fall. Bro. Oh, no, we're sitting here, bro. I'm sitting here watching you. Because you're gonna roll. You're rolling over, I swear. Roll. Roll. Nah. Roll. No! Restart. 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 And let's go. And let's go. That's all we needed right there. Right there was what all I needed. And I'm gonna be real with y'all. This video, wait, let's see, we got 3 stars. Yeah. I'm gonna be real with y'all. This video getting kind of long, and we only got 2 more on the page, so we gonna finish it. What? Yeah, we about to hurry up. I might be able to give 3 stars. Get it to me. Get it to me. Just get it to me. Ah, okay. Ooh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there we go. Whatever. Yeah, give me that. Dang. Dang. Yo. Come on. Hit. Good stuff. Come on, knock it over. What? Had to block it and didn't even hurt him, man. Come on. Looks like I gotta transfer the momentum from the bird to the house to the other. There we go. That's it. That's it. Hit him. Fall. 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 Yes! Yes! Let's go! 10. Another 10. That's 50K. You couldn't want more than 50K, man. 50K. Exactly. Like, I did the best you could do. Oh, what? What's this? Restart. Like, I know I can hit this. Yup. Restart. Oh. Come on. Fall. 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 Bro, just die. Bro, actually just die. Why are you still alive? Man, you little birds ain't nothing versus these rocks, man. You little birds can't do nothing against rocks, man. Oh my god, restart. What the hell? Oh, okay, I hit the ice before I changed. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. Come on. Come on. Just die. Kill him. Yeah, and that's done. Okay, so what do I need to hit, though? 10, 10, 10, 57. If I gotta hit 60, I'll be mad. 55. Ooh, and that's it. Alright, guys. That was the end of the video. And we got 3 stars, 1 through 15 on the first page. And on next time, we'll do the second page. So, oh well. We'll see you later, guys. And deuces.